All right, let's read. So let's see what we got here for this next example. So again, this is a application type problem, so I'm going to read it and then we'll describe it, okay? So it says, the point in a planet's orbit where it is closest to the sun is called the perihelion, and the point where it is farthest away is called the aphelion. Suppose that Mars is 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers from the sun at the perihelion. Use the eccentricity from the table 7.1 to find the distance between Mars and the sun at the aphelion. I think I misspelled it. I think I said that wrong. The aphelion is the farthest away. I think I mispronounced that. So we want to find, okay, so let's use the information here. So we know the sun from Mars. Okay, so let's use the diagram here. So let's use the sun, right? So here's the sun. And let's just make an oval shape, okay? I'm not an artist. Okay, so let's say this would be the perihelion. Okay, and then over here would be the aphelion, or the aphelion. Okay? So now what do they give us? They give us the distance okay, so the point in the planet's orbit where it's closer to the sun is called the perihelion. And they tell us that that is 2.0662 times 8, times 10 to the 8. So 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers, right? So it's in the hundreds of millions. And the eccentricity of Mars from the table is 0.0935. 0.0935. 0.0935. Okay, now, so they want us, so we know this distance. That's that. Right? So let's use what they give us to figure out. So now here's the thing. We know E by definition is what? It's A, or excuse me, C divided by A, right? So this is going to equal C divided by A. And how can we use that? Well, here's the thing. So we need so we have the center, right? Where's the, so we know the center of the orbit, right, of this ellipse, this elliptical orbit is going to be maybe somewhere over there, right? So we know that this distance here is A, right? And this distance here is C. And we don't know either one of those values, but we do know this, right? So if we wanted to find the distance from the sun, right? So here's this, again, the sun. We want to find the distance from what? Here to there. Which would be what? A plus C. We want to find A plus C. But we know that this 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 meters, kilometers, that's equal to what? A minus C is equal to 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. So let's see if we could figure out a way to solve this. So let's do this. So C equals what? 0.0935 times A. And then we can say, okay, well, C is equal to that, so we can substitute A equals 0.0935, A equals 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. And so then we can factor out the A, and we get A times 1 minus 0.0935 equals 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. And so that's going to be what? That's going to be so that'll be actually what? It's going to be 9 0 9065 0.9065 equals 2.0662 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. Okay, so now we could just divide both sides by 0.9065. Okay, so let's do that and see what we get. All right, so bear with me. Okay, so my calculator, so I'm going to take 2.0662 times 10 to the 8th kilometers, and I'm going to divide by 0.09, oops, no. 0.9065. And so, let me just check, make sure I got this right. Yes, awesome. So now, what I end up getting is A then is approximately equal to 2.2793 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. All right, cool, we're getting there. So now, I got A. Cool. Okay, so now, so we got A. So that means, oh, by the way, okay, so that means I know I can get C. Because then C then is going to be .0935 times A. Okay, so now I'm going to just take my answer and I'm going to say, okay, times 0.0935 oops, 0.0935. All right, so now C, I get approximately what? 2.1312 times 10 to the 8th. Is that right? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 7. Nope. 7 kilometers. 2.1312. All right, so now I think we got it. We got what we need, right? So we need A plus C. So now all we have to do is add those together. So we got this number, A, and we got this number, C, and let's add them together. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go plus, and what do I get? I got that, and then I got that. And so what do I get? I get a, what? I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, I get 2.4924 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. So that is going to be the amphibian. The amphibian is this. So approximately 249 million kilometers. All right, that's it. Have a great day.